It's time for your daily crypto update with Framework Fortune Crypto. I am your host, Ben. Now let's dive into this beautiful market that we have. Bitcoin breaking over the triangle, making a nice little pop up there, jumped over 49,000 for a little bit, so testing that 49,000 that was holding up before. Looks like we're going to push through there at this point, especially with Ethereum breaking out. Ethereum busted out of that little small consolidation triangle and was ripped all the way up to 3,800. So very nice move so far. The previous highs were all the way up at 4,380, basically 4,400. I think we'll see Ethereum up to 4,000 at this point. There is some resistance right through there, but it's not that much, and I could see traders and investors going ahead and just pushing this up to 4,000. More than likely, we won't break this right away if we do get up there, but it is a possibility. I would expect some type of consolidation like this, though. But this has been a very nice move on Ethereum pushing up. We'll see if this momentum continues into the night. But that, of course, is going to be pushing up a bunch of other coins. So top gainer today is RLY, Rallycoin. I was just talking about this one yesterday as it had just popped on Coinbase. And it's just continuing to go straight up, right up this uptrend. Very nice. Getting a nice pop off the bounce of the uptrend. Didn't quite make a new high yet over that 78 cents. So it is trying to consolidate right around 70 cents. If it can hold there, then we could see it push for all new highs. And it may do it. I mean, this has had a lot of buying, a lot more buying than selling on it the entire time that it's been out. So REN, this was a top gainer yesterday, popping up some more, getting a continuation run. But it is running into some strong resistance right here. You can see where this was resistance and support all through back here. This was a lot of congestion, and that's where it's getting held up. So it may push to 90, but I would say it's going to have to consolidate before breaking over 90. But very nice U shape right here, and we could see that breakout. It may get rejected here and make a little cup and handle. That could be another option. So if you're new to trading in general, whether it be crypto or whatever, you never really want to buy at resistance. That's where you want to sell at. You want to be buying at support off of an indicator like this 200 here, or a previous support line like right around that 48 area, and then selling at the resistance. So ADA pushing back up off that 50, and we have got a clear triangle going on right here below 3. Very clear triangle forming on Cardano, and this is what we want to see. Cardano continue to climb up to the tip of this and then test $3 and have a big rip. I think we're going to get a rip here soon, especially with Ethereum breaking out. If it doesn't break this triangle, once again, back down to 250. Now, AKT I was talking about yesterday is one of the Cosmos ecosystem blockchains and coins. You can see it just pushed and made a high over this previous recent high. So that's looking pretty bullish, breaking above that downtrend. As long as it holds above that downtrend, we'll probably see this continue. So a lot of the coins in the Cosmos ecosystem are breaking, including Atom. Atom pushing all the way back up to 25 again. Keeps testing this 25 area. It is trying to hold as some support right now. If that can hold, we may see Atom all the way up to 30. And that would bring AKT, Persistence, all of those up with it more than likely. But Cosmos looking very good right now. Balancer pushing back up to that 30 area again. Got a nice little double bottom here on this. We'll see if it can break out of that. Needs to break over 32.50. Make a new recent high. If it can, it'll pull back down to this 28 area of previous resistance. So that is now support. So CGLD had to come all the way back down to this 536 area, but popping up off of it back up to 660, even 670 looks like at the tip of that candle. It is getting some selling pressure, but it is back above the 10-day. So if it can hold above this 10-day on the 4-hour, we could see it start pushing back up for another move. If this market stays hot, this could be another big leg up for CGLD. Still holding CTSI. You can see it's just right there. So close to trying to break this triangle. I'm looking for this to break tonight. Worst case tomorrow. I've been holding this for a while and it's starting to be too long of a hold, but we're right here. This is very close to making a move. Polkadot continuing to climb, so all my Polkadot peeps out there, we're celebrating right now, pushing all the way up to that 34 area. Previous high was $50, so we're over halfway there. This area we're hitting right at the moment is some strong resistance, so let's go ahead and draw that out. Right across there, you can see all that congestion, all that support and resistance. Back on the chart. We are breaking this area right now. If it can break that area, we might see it up to 50. It may not break though here. It may have to come down a little bit and continue to make its little consolidations that it's been making this nice slow upward movement. So I ain't talked about Filecoin in a while. Filecoin starting to look pretty good, like it may try to make another leg up here soon. Been consolidating pretty much the last week and a half. That you got a little double bottom there. If it can break over 80, we'll probably see a decent push up to 90, maybe even 100 on this. Been very bullish riding up this 200 days since it broke out of that downtrend. So Luna slowing down some, but still holding up this 31, 32 area. We do want to see it bounce off of this area right here. It is getting bought up so far with that little tail, but it's a little bearish looking, so we need to see some buy-in come in pretty soon here. Get this back to the top of this triangle. Did have a premature breakout. Another little curl up here would be perfect breakout of the triangle. And we could see Luna up to 40. If not, if it cracks all of this, Luna could fall back down to this 25 area. So there's not a lot of support through that area. Mana slowly building up for this other dollar break, curling around, looking just how we want it to look. If we get a nice little green candle up over $1, I expect this to push. If not, 200 days right there, that would be the next support area that it would fall to. Solana, of course, having a little pullback after that big rip. So it has a downtrend currently. It's just going to keep going down that downtrend until it finds some support. This could end up possibly being a little triangle of consolidation. This little bottom here, that could be a support line. So if it holds there, it would bounce back up out of this triangle and we would see a continuation. If not, it's going to drop back down to this 50-day, which is right around 100. So we'll probably even see it bounce off of 100 if it does drop. Vechain getting some action, breaking over this downtrend, looking bullish again. Testing that 14-cent area that held up was resistance last time. We could see a break. I think we'll see it up to test 15. I don't know if it'll break 15, but I think we'll see that test pretty easily. And then if it does break, we could see it climb towards that 20-cent area. So Tezos is my bold prediction. Still looking good for that. Has sold off some. Nice pullback after that run all the way up to 615. But bouncing off of the $5 area and that 50-day. So that broke this little downtrend. I think we'll see Tezos continue to push up here. Could see it up to 650 sometime this week, by the end of the week possibly. So that's all the coins I'm going to cover for today. We're pretty hot today with Ethereum having that breakout, but very nice sign. It's been showing strength, so it was expected to see it push over that. Now we just want to see it push and break that 4,000 and make all new highs. Where the all new highs will be, could it be at the 4,500, 5,000 area, or will Ether get all the way up to 10K? I'm leaning towards the 10K, but only time will tell. So if there's any coins that you want me to cover that I'm not currently covering on a weekly basis, leave them in the comments below. And let me know if you want me to start doing the crypto news segment. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. Stay safe out there. Until next time.